this video, we'll show you how to adjust your Aquataps boiler temperature and thermostat range. To adjust the temperature of your Aquataps boiler, press the Set button in short bursts until you reach the desired temperature. The boiler allows you to set a minimum of 45 degrees Celsius and a maximum of 98 degrees Celsius. Your boiler also uses a thermostat to keep the water hot. You can control how much the temperature drops before it reheats by choosing a range of 3, 5, 7 or 9 degrees. Setting it to 3 means the boiler reheats more frequently, keeping water hotter. Setting it to 9 means it reheats less often, saving energy. To change this, hold your finger on the Set button until a number 3, 5, 7 or 9 appears. Then release and press again in short bursts to cycle through the options. When your preferred number is shown, just stop pressing. The setting will save automatically.